Hello, friends. Welcome to Creative Medicine. In this lecture, we will learn about
Height can be calculated from the long bones. The height can be calculated from the long bones by different formulas. Carl Pearson formula, Trotter Glesser formula, Duper, Dupercius Haddon formula. These are used in Western individuals. Steele's formula helps to determine the stature from the fragmented or broken long bones. In Indian individuals, the stature can be determined by the formulas like Pan formula, Nat formula, Shah Siddiq formula, and Thomas Mehta formula. Procedure of determining short stature of long bones.
thank you and thank you for watching.